How to see sent follow requests on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. At the bottom right of the app, select your profile icon. Then, look at the top of the screen, tap the three lines. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Tap Account Center at the top. Scroll down and select your information and permissions. Select Download your information. Choose Download or Transfer information. Select some of your information. Scroll down and under Connections, select All. Tap Next at the bottom. Again, tap on Next. Select the appropriate date range for the following requests you sent. Tap Save. Choose your email for notification. Select HTML for the format. Ignore media quality. Tap Create Files. After some time, return to the Download Your Information screen. Under Available Downloads, you'll see your request. Tap Download. Enter your password to proceed. Now, you will redirect to browsers to download the file. Then, go back to the home screen. Find the Files app on your phone. Locate the file downloaded in the Downloads folder. Select the zip file, starts with Instagram and your username. Unzip it to a folder with the same name. Open the unzipped folder. Select Connections. Tap Followers and Following. Open the file labeled Pending Follow Requests. In my case, there are no following requests. Generally, here you can find all your pending requests, and that's it.